everybody, welcome to Tuesday's maths lesson. So as I told you yesterday, we're going to be finding the perimeter of regular and irregular shapes today. But just before we start, I just want to come back to the last slide on yesterday's, because as I tried to explain in the comments, there's been a slight blip and I did actually go through the whole of this slide, but for some reason it didn't record and you just saw the final answer. So I also explained that there was a mistake on my behalf on this first question about Annie. So I just want to quickly go over this just to make sure everybody's super clear on it before we move on. Okay, so it said Annie's calculating the area of a right angled triangle. She said I only need to know the length of any two sides to calculate the area of a triangle. Now she's right in some respects because you need to know the length of two of the sides, but she said of any two sides. It's not any two sides, it's got to be the length and the width. So the answer there for this one, it says she is incorrect. Although you only need to know two sides, it must be the length and the width. The diagonal line will not help to work out the area. Okay, so on that, if you think back, if this is our triangle, okay, in order to try and work it out, we're going to be looking at this side, which is the width and the length, because that is ultimately what will give us the area of the quadrilateral. This diagonal line here, we don't need it at all. We do not need that line in order to work out what the area of the quadrilateral is, and then we're just going to half it. So she's right when she says it's two sides, but because she's put the word any, it is not any two sides. So for example, if we had this as a question and we had 4 centimetres there and we had 6 centimetres there, we would not be able to work out the area of that because we need to know this one here. If we were given all three, then you must remember that this one doesn't count. Okay? So that's really important. That's why I've made sure that we've come back to it. So it's the length and the width that we need to know. I'll just whiz through these ones because I think we did alright on these. So basically for this one, the area of the triangle is 54. So it says what could the length and the height of the triangle be? So first of all, we need to say, right, well if the area of the triangle itself is 54, then as a quadrilateral, it must have been double that. So that's where we've got this 54 times 2 from, because that's what it would be as a quadrilateral. Oops, that's a bit skew width. So that's what the area of the whole quadrilateral would be. Then we can try and work out what these missing sides are, because it must be something multiplied by something gives us 108. So basically it's any factor pairs. The most obvious one there is 12 times 9. Because straight away you should know that 12 times 9 equals 108. Okay? And then it says, can you find any more? When it says how many different integers can you find, it just means how many different factor pairs can you find. Okay? And then if you did want to check that, you could do length times width and divide it by 2. So we'd do length times width, which what we said is 12 times 9, 108 divided by 2 equals 54. So we know we've got that one right. And then finally for this one, it said calculate the area of the shaded triangle. So to do this, we had to first work out the area of the full thing. So the big long rectangle there is going to be 24 times by 6, which you can see I have worked out there at the bottom. 24 times 6 is 72. So that will give us the area of the whole thing. Whoops, daisies. Okay. Just make that a bit straighter there. So that'll give us the area of the whole thing all the way around. Once we've got the area of that, we then need to get the area of just one of these rectangles. So there's 3 of them which are all equal. So we can say the whole thing is 72. Divide that by 3 means that the area of this rectangle here must be 24 centimetres squared. And then once we know the area of that, we can then easily divide it by 2 or split it in half, which will give us the area of the triangle. So we've got 24, oops, goodness me, and divide it by 2 equals 12. So therefore the area of that particular triangle there is 12 centimetres. And it says, can you spot Mo's mistake? Well, Mo has just worked out the area of the full thing. Okay, so I hope that clears anything up if you were a bit confused yesterday due to my jumping about a little bit, and I'll try to make sure that that doesn't happen today. Okay, right, so moving on, just a quick recap on something we've done before but we've not done for a while. It's just a bit of a measure conversions for your maths meeting. You don't need to write all of these out. It says on here to circle the incorrect conversions, so can you write down the ones that you think are incorrect? So just put a heading incorrect and then write down the ones that you think are incorrect underneath, and then you've got a little bit of a problem at the bottom. Rudy and Molly are converting 112.008 metres into millimetres. Rudy says the answer is 112,008 millimetres, and Molly says the answer is, well, actually that's, she put the comma in the wrong place, so that's actually 11,200.8 millimetres. Who is correct, and explain why. Okay, off you go. Okay, so the incorrect ones on there then, well, if we work our way through, A is correct because 2,500 millilitres, well, 2,000 millilitres is the same as 2 litres, 0.5, and then 50 millimetres is the same as 5 centimetres. 1,000 grams is the same as 1 kilogram, so that one's incorrect. 2 metres is 200 centimetres. 15,000 grams is not the same as 1.5 grams. It should, sorry, 1.5 kilograms. It should be 15 kilograms. 5.5 litres is the same as 5,500 millilitres. 40 centimetres is actually the same as 400 millimetres, and 25 kilograms would be the same as 25,000 grams. Okay, so those are the 4 that are incorrect. And then at the bottom, I've just put the little conversion table on here. If you remember, I told you in class that whenever you're doing any sort of converting, try and get used to writing this at the top. Get used to putting your measurements in order from either largest to smallest or smallest to largest, and then show your arrows showing how you convert from one to the other, because that will help you. Okay, and then if you put that Molly is incorrect because she's put the comma in the wrong place, you've actually not got it right. Excuse me, because she's not got it, that's not why she's got it wrong, because even if you put that comma in the correct place, she said 11,200, which is wrong. Okay, so you need to be more clearer, because that's not, the comma is not the reason that she's got it wrong, if that makes sense. So the best thing to do is work out what the correct answer is yourself, and then you can say which one's right because, and then you've got your evidence there to show which one is correct. So Rudy is correct because, and then you've got you working out underneath. So I've done 2 steps here. I've gone first of all from metres to centimetres, and then from centimetres into millimetres. Okay, so 112.008 metres. So in order to convert that to centimetres, we must multiply it by 100. So that is 11,200.8 centimetres. Then, in order to convert that into millimetres, that should say, sorry, let me just put an extra M on there. We need to then multiply the answer by 10. So the answer becomes 112,008 millimetres. So therefore, that is the correct answer. If you want to do it in one step, so instead of going multiplying by 100 and then multiplying by 10, you could just do one big step, and you could say, well, multiplying by 100 and then multiplying by 10 is the exact same as just multiplying by 1,000. I'm not very good at this, hopefully I'll get better at doing this writing with my mouse. So you could just do one big step of multiplying by 1,000, which I've got written there, and as you can see, that gives you the same answer, 112,008. Okay? Right, let's move on then. So, at the beginning of the week and before the holiday, we were looking at area. So we're moving on now to perimeter. Remember, perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a shape. So you can work out the perimeter of a quadrilateral in the following ways. You can either do length, add length, add length, add length, or if it's a square, so this is just for a square, you can just do length times 4, because you know that all the lengths are the same size. If it's a rectangle, then obviously you've got opposite sides the same. Let me just draw a rectangle here just to show you, get the right colour. So you've got, oh goodness me, that is not straight. You've got this one and this one are the same length, and then you've got this one and this one are the same length. So in that instance, you can do length, add width, add length, add width, or you can say length, add width, and multiply it by 2 because you've got it twice, or you can say length times 2, add width times 2. Okay, and it says the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside of a 2D shape. When it says space or area, that's because it could be the perimeter of your classroom, it could be the perimeter of a football pitch, so it could be an actual area, it doesn't have to be a shape mathematically like in maths, okay? So, using that then, out you go, Tyler. Using that then, I want you to work out the perimeter of the following shapes. Now on this one it's a bit easier to see because you can see the squares going across. However, on the other ones, underneath, sorry, that was Charlie just coming in for a little nosy. On these ones here, we've not got the squares, but we have got the measurements. Okay? Just be aware as well, please, of the unit of measurement. We've got centimetres for all of them, barring that last one, number 8, which is in inches. Have a go. Off you go. Okay, so I've actually written down here how I've worked it out. So I've done 5 add 2 times 2, which is 20. You might have done one of the other methods that I showed you. 4 times 4 is 16, and so on. So mark those answers. Please make sure you mark them so that when I do see your work that's uploaded, I can just look at it and I can see how many you got right or wrong, and if you need to do any more work on it. It would also be useful actually if you did put a little comment on the side of your work, or when you upload it, type a comment in to say whether you found the work easy, difficult, just right, or what you actually struggled with, and so on, because that will help me to plan the next lessons. And if you do make any mistakes, don't forget to put your corrections in. So recapping back then, we did a similar thing to this last week when we were doing compound shapes and area. This is slightly different because we don't actually have to split into 2 quadrilaterals because we're not finding the area, we're just finding the distance around the outside. But we do need to find the missing lengths. I want you to look at that. I want to see if you can remember what we need to do to find those missing lengths. Maybe pause the video, have a go at trying to work them out. If you do want to draw the shapes out to help you, you can have a go at it, but obviously they don't have to be to scale. And I'll let you off not using a ruler. Normally speaking, I would say if you were drawing a shape to use a ruler, but obviously you're at home. Okay? And then press play when you're ready. Okay, now this looks really complicated, but it's not as complicated as it looks. So let me try and explain it here. And this is actually a lesson we've done before, so it's not new information. So this side here was missing. The way that we've worked out the 9 centimetres there is because we have said, right, well, if this from here to here is 7 centimetres, so then you can see that goes from there to there, and from here to here is 2 centimetres, that means from here to here is 2 centimetres, and actually if it does help you can draw an imaginary line across to show that it's a rectangle, because then you can see the opposite sides are the same. So if that's 7, that must be 7, if that's 2, that must be 2. 7 add 2 gives you the 9. Okay? Then on this bit here, we know that this full length is 8, and we know that from here to here is 5. So therefore, if the full thing is 8, take away the 5 that we've got, means that this missing length here must be 3, so the length opposite must also be 3. Okay? And then for this one, we've got 12 down here plus 3, which means that this bit must be 15, if we were to kind of drag those yellow bits across. And then we have got 4 metres here and 5 metres there, so if we were to drag those up, those lengths, put our 4 metres there, plus our 5, and then opposite is the same, which is 9, so 4 plus 5 is 9. And then finally for this one, we had some different measurements here. We have millimetres and centimetres. So the first job is to convert them so they're all the same. So convert your 21 millimetres to 2.1 centimetres, 9 millimetres to 0.9 centimetres, and then you can work out your missing lengths. So you can say, right, well, that length add that length, 2.1 add 0.9 is 3. So I've done that one first. And then going across, we've got our 1 centimetre here, so that must be 1 centimetre, plus our 1.5 there, so it totals 2.5. So now use this information to calculate the perimeter. So now you know the length of all the sides, you should be able to work out the perimeter. So pause it and have a go. Remember, to work out the perimeter, you are going all the way around the outside. Okay, so we found the missing length, now we can work out the perimeter, so we can add them all up. The way that I do it is I try to find number bonds if I want to do it mentally. So I would say to myself, 7 add 3 is 10, 8 add 2 is 10, that's 20, 29, and then 34, so that gives us 34 there, and so on. Add them all up, and it makes sense to cross them out as you go along, especially for shapes that have got more sides, because then you don't get confused. So as you've added them, cross them out, and there's your answers. Find the length of the missing sides and work out the perimeter of each shape. These shapes are not drawn to scale. What I will say on this one is do what you can. If you're starting to struggle, don't worry. If you're starting to struggle with it, just move on. And all you need to do is in your comments say that you were struggling. Tell me which bit it was that you were struggling with in particular, and then I know whether I need to do another lesson. Okay, so you need to find the missing length, so just be aware which length this is. So on this one you've got one here, one there, there, and there. You've got a missing length there, there, oops, I missed one out, you've got a missing one there, and there, is that all of them? Okay, so I've highlighted where your missing lengths are. So see if you can work those out using the method we did, and then add them all together to find your perimeters. I'm just checking the units. I don't think there's any conversion needed. So for each shape, you've got the right amount of, you've got the same unit of measurement. So if it's centimetres, they're all centimetres. If it's metres, they're all metres. So you don't need to do any converting. Off you go. So I've written in your missing length there. And then underneath you can see the perimeters. As always, mark them, correct them if you got them wrong. If you feel like you can carry on, have a go at this. Some of them you might need to find a missing length, some of them you might not. And it wants you to circle the shape that has a different total perimeter. So work out the perimeter of A, perimeter of B, perimeter of C. 2 of them are the same, 1 of them is different. So circle the one that's different. If you feel like you're worn out and you've done too much and your head's a little bit frazzled, then leave it there, you don't need to do it. So as you can see there, B had 2 missing sides that we had to work out, and then we were able to work out the perimeter. So B and C had a perimeter of 34 and A had a perimeter of 42. So that's the one that needed circling. And the same on this one. On this one, just be aware that we've got millimetres and centimetres there, and the same on this one and on this one. So not only do you need to find the missing lengths, you also need to do some converting from millimetres to centimetres. So you can see how I've converted from millimetres to centimetres, and then I have found the missing length. This last one, C, was a little bit more difficult because we didn't have anything to work out these 2 missing lengths. But what we did know was that the total length across here was 14. So therefore, that plus that must also have been 14 because those 2 together are the same length. Okay, so that was also 14 going across. That was quite tricky, that one. So A and B are both 52 and C is 46, so that's the odd one out. And that is you done for today. Please do make sure you put a comment and to let me know how you got on, because it really does help. Obviously if you found this last one really tricky, that is a little bit to be expected because I'm not there to help you and it is a while since we've done it. Just be honest and let me know if you need to do more on it or if you're ready to move on. Tomorrow's lesson is going to be a little bit of a mini assessment on area and perimeter before we move on to volume. However, if you feel like you need to do more on either area or perimeter or both, please let me know, and if there's a lot of you that do, then we'll stick with that before we move on to volume. If you're all happy with it, then we'll move on. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I shall speak to you soon.